welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Feast and my name is Anisha. Today I am attempting for like the third time. Yeah, I think this is the third time to eat some spicy ramen noodles. These are the one-time spicy noodles, not the two times. So fingers crossed I'll actually be able to eat these. I'm starving as usual, so we'll get right into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Anywho's, how y'all doing today? Whew, I'm scared. To be honest, I'm scared. And of course, I got some water on the side. I mean, like, should we start big? Should we start small? I'm thinking we should start small, y'all. What y'all think? Small, right? All right. Here we go. Okay. I think I could do these, y'all. They are spicy, but I can eat them. And as you can see, I added some liquid. For some reason, I lost my my glass bowl. I need to go get another one. So I wanted you guys to see my food not be in a bowl. So I'll put it on this plate for you guys. Okay. I can do these. Why ain't nobody talking about the one-time spicy noodles? Yeah, the two-time is just too much for me. These are real good. They still spicy, real good flavor, and I can eat them. So anybody who's attempted the two-time spicy noodles and you like the flavor of them but you think they're too hot, try the one-time spicy. And this is 2 packs of the spicy ramen. I had confidence that I was going to be able to eat it, so I made 2. And I was starving. Every time I see B Loves Life's video of her ramen, she always inspires me to do the spicy ramen again. Has anybody seen the video she recently put out? I think it was like the Bird Box Challenge, I think. But she did it blindfolded, and she ate, I think, 4 packs of the two-time spicy noodles. That video is hilarious. Please go check it out if y'all haven't. Ooh, my mouth is definitely tingling. So let's. I think when you, like B Love was saying, because you know obviously she can't eat with her hands, so she couldn't wipe her mouth or anything either. And it was like on her chin and like on the edges of her mouth and stuff. And she was saying it was so hot every time she opened her mouth, and I believe her, because even just letting this one-time spicy sit on my lips for a little bit got my mouth tingling. Whew. boop, boop, boop. My mouth is tingling, y'all, like for real. The only thing I added to this ramen is adobo. Ooh, excuse me. And even though it has good flavor already, I added adobo because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish, y'all. I'm gonna try. I added adobo because if you guys watch T and Lee TV, she is always hooking up her noodles. Like, I remember I seen a video of hers like a minute ago, like maybe a few months ago, and she hooked up some noodles. I was like, okay, can you please make me some ramen? Okay. They taste good, y'all. They just hot. I was telling my friend the other day, I might need to rethink if I could say that I like spicy food or not, because ever since I started watching YouTube, people got me beat. Like, if you guys watch Nene Eats, she's crazy. Excuse me. She's crazy, y'all. I think she did the spicy noodle challenge, and she put Tabasco sauce in her noodles, and I think she did the 2-time spicy noodles. And she, whoa, did y'all just see that? That almost flew in my eye. And when I say that would have been bad, okay, I would have been like, cut. Video cut. Oh, my nose is starting to run. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Oh yeah, these bad boys is hot. Whew. I'm trying to do that like it's gonna make my lips cooler. It's not. Whew. But yeah, she has done her and Live a Little with Leslie. They both are crazy. Like, oh no, not my shirt. Hold on, y'all. I'm a daredevil. I'm not. Let me not say that. Ooh. And what I did, because I realized that when you follow the packet directions for the noodles, they're too mushy, so I cooked these a minute less than what the packet said. So I think the packet said 5 minutes, so I cooked them for 4 minutes. I'm getting full, y'all. I thought I was gonna be able to eat all these, but I feel like these packs of noodles, they come with either more noodles or the noodles are thicker, like compared to like Top Ramen or something like that. You guys let me know in the comment box below if you guys have noticed that, if you've had these before, that they give you like, it feels like you have more noodles with just 1 pack. Because usually I definitely could eat 2 packs of noodles for sure. Especially when I'm hungry. think one more bite. One more bite and I'm gonna be done, guys. Ooh, because I do not like overstuffing myself at all. And anybody who knows about ramen can get you full fast. That's probably why college students eat ramen so much, besides the fact that it's super cheap. Ooh, you get full off of these things. Like if you eat 2 packs of these, maybe, I don't know how much regular ramen costs, maybe 25 cents or 50 cents or something like that. So it's not super healthy for you, but maybe if you get like a little side of vegetables and add it in, you can make it work. Ooh. Whew. Okay. I am all done, y'all. I'm full. Those noodles got me. Either way, I'm so excited I actually found the spicy noodles that I could take. So anybody who likes the 2-time spicy noodles, once again, if y'all like the flavor of those, you can get the 1-time spicy noodles and you may be able to tolerate those. I know I am. So I'm all done here, you guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna have a good rest of my day and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.